is my country.
India is my country.
And all Indians are.
All Indians are
My brothers.
my brothers
And sisters.
and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am
proud of
its rich
its rich
and very taste.
and very heritage.
I shall always strive
I shall always strive
to be worthy of it.
to be worthy of it.
I shall respect my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
and
leaders.
leaders.
I shall treat everyone
I shall treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I place my devotion.
I place my devotion.
In their well-being
In their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Thank you, sir.